Welcome to Boston, one of America's oldest, most walkable, and most fascinating cities. Whether you're here for history, culture, food, or waterfront views, Boston combines it all in a way few cities can. From the cobblestone streets of Beacon Hill to the lively energy of Quincy Market, and from the calm Charles River Esplanade to world-class museums, this city has it all. So, let's explore together the best things to do in Boston. A mix of must-see attractions, hidden gems, and local experiences that make this city unforgettable. The Freedom Trail is Boston's most iconic historical walk, a 2.5-mile red brick path that connects 16 significant sites from the American Revolution. Created in the 1950s to preserve Boston's rich past, it allows visitors to step back in time and explore the places where early patriots debated, protested, and ultimately sparked the fight for independence. The trail winds through downtown streets, past churches, meeting halls, and old burying grounds. You'll visit landmarks like Faneuil Hall, where fiery speeches inspired colonists to oppose British rule, and the Old South Meeting House, the gathering place that led directly to the Boston Tea Party. Walking the Freedom Trail is more than sightseeing. It's a journey through the events that shaped a nation. It's easy to follow, family-friendly, and brings American history to life right where it happened. Whether you explore it on your own or with a costumed guide, the Freedom Trail is a must-see for anyone visiting Boston. Next up is Boston Common, the oldest public park in the United States, established in 1634 and the official starting point of the Freedom Trail. This historic green space has witnessed everything from grazing livestock to major civil rights gatherings. Today you can stroll along its shaded paths, relax by the pond, or join locals who jog or picnic here year-round. In winter, the Frog Pond becomes a popular outdoor ice skating rink, and movie fans will appreciate the famous Goodwill Hunting Bench, where Robin Williams and Matt Damon filmed one of the film's most iconic scenes, a perfect spot to sit and soak in the charm of the park. Right next door is the Boston Public Garden, known for its elegant bridges, Victorian-style flowers, and the famous swan boats that glide across the lagoon. It's peaceful, romantic, and picture-perfect in every season. If you're visiting in spring or fall, plan extra time here. The colorful leaves and blooming flowers make it one of the most photographed places in Boston. From the park, walk uphill to Beacon Hill, one of the city's most charming neighborhoods. This area is full of federal-style brick houses, iron fences, and narrow cobblestone lanes. The star attraction is Acorn Street, often called the most beautiful street in America. You'll feel like you've stepped into a postcard. At the top of the hill stands the Massachusetts State House, with its iconic golden dome that glitters in the sun. You can even join a free guided tour inside to learn about the state's history and architecture. From here, you get some fantastic views over the Common, and it's a perfect spot to start following the Freedom Trail. Just a few minutes away is the Cheers Bar, made famous by the classic TV show. It's a fun stop to grab a drink or snap a photo under the "Where Everybody Knows Your Name" sign. Even if you've never seen the show, it's a quirky Boston icon. Next, make your way to Copley Square and step inside the Boston Public Library. Founded in 1848, it's one of the most beautiful libraries in the world. Marble staircases, murals, arched ceilings, and quiet reading rooms make it feel more like a museum than a library. Don't miss the courtyard in the center. It's a peaceful hidden gem in the middle of the city. Right across from the library stands Trinity Church, an architectural masterpiece built in the 1800s. Old South Church sits directly across from Copley Square and is one of Boston's most impressive historic churches. Built in the 1800s, it features colorful stained glass windows, detailed stonework, and a stunning interior filled with artwork and arches. It's a peaceful place to step inside and admire the architecture while learning about its role in Boston's religious history. Now head toward the waterfront to explore Quincy Market, one of Boston's liveliest food halls. Here you'll find rows of vendors serving everything from clam chowder and lobster rolls to Boston cream pie and fresh oysters. Grab a seat at one of the long communal tables, enjoy street performers just outside, and take in the bustling atmosphere that's been drawing visitors for decades. Right next to Quincy Market stands Faneuil Hall, a building that's played a huge role in American history, often called the Cradle of Liberty. It was where early revolutionaries like Samuel Adams gave speeches that inspired independence. Today, it's part of the Freedom Trail and still a place where locals gather. But now it's filled with shops, restaurants, and a lively marketplace vibe. Step back in time at the Boston Tea Party Ships and Museum. Located along the harbor, this interactive museum lets you relive the night of December the 16th, 1773, when colonists dumped tea into the water to protest British taxes. You can even throw replica tea crates overboard yourself. Actors in period costumes, multimedia exhibits, and floating ships make this a truly memorable stop for history lovers. From downtown, take a short walk to the Chinatown Gate, marking the entrance to Boston's colorful Chinatown district. The gate, decorated with dragons and Chinese calligraphy, welcomes you to a world of aromas and flavors. Try dim sum, dumplings, or bubble tea. It's a perfect place to refuel and experience Boston's cultural diversity. One of the most fun and unique ways to see Boston is aboard a duck tour. These amphibious vehicles drive through the streets and then plunge into the Charles River for a scenic water view of the skyline. The guides are funny and informative, sharing quirky facts and local legends along the way. It's family-friendly and a Boston classic. If you prefer a more flexible way to explore, try the hop-on, hop-off buses. They stop at most major attractions, from the State House to the Aquarium to the Museum of Science, so you can explore at your own pace while learning about the city's history through the onboard narration. Located right on the waterfront, the New England Aquarium is one of the city's top attractions. See penguins up close, watch sea lions play, and explore the massive central tank filled with sea turtles, sharks, and tropical fish. It's great for kids and adults alike. Next to the aquarium lies Christopher Columbus Waterfront Park, a peaceful green area with harbor views. Locals come here to relax, enjoy picnics, and stroll under the romantic vine-covered trellis. Right next to the New England Aquarium in Boston, you can hop on a whale-watching tour that takes you straight into one of the best marine wildlife regions on the East Coast, departing directly from Central Wharf, just steps from the aquarium entrance. The tour lasts about 3 to 4 hours. Whale watching season in Boston typically runs from April through October, with the peak months from June to September. Head across the river to Charlestown to visit the Bunker Hill Monument, which marks one of the first major battles of the American Revolution. You can climb the 294 steps to the top for panoramic views of Boston. It's part of the Freedom Trail and surrounded by quiet streets and historic homes that tell the story of the nation's early struggles for independence. Nearby is the USS Constitution Museum, where you can see old Ironsides, the world's oldest commissioned naval ship still afloat. Admission is free, and you can explore the decks, cannons, and interactive exhibits that bring naval history to life. It's a favorite for families and history buffs alike. Right next to the USS Constitution sits the USS Cassin Young, a World War II-era destroyer that survived 2 kamikaze attacks in the Pacific. Today, it's a floating museum where visitors can step aboard and explore the deck, weapon systems, and sailors' living quarters. It's an impressive and often overlooked companion to the USS Constitution. The Museum of Science is one of the best in the country, offering hands-on exhibits about space, physics, animals, and technology. Don't miss the planetarium shows or the lightning demonstrations. They're both exciting and educational. It's a fantastic destination for families and curious minds of all ages. Art lovers should not miss the Isabella Stuart Gardner Museum, a stunning Venetian-style palace filled with priceless art, plants, and mystery. Every room is different, with paintings, sculptures, and tapestries from around the world. It's also famous for the unsolved 1990 art heist, where several masterpieces were stolen and have never been recovered. The empty frames still hang on the walls today. Just a short distance away is the Museum of Fine Arts, one of the largest art museums in the United States. You'll find everything here, from ancient Egyptian relics to impressionist paintings and modern photography. It's easy to spend half a day exploring its vast galleries and special exhibitions. For those traveling with kids, the Boston Children's Museum is a dream come true. It's packed with interactive exhibits that encourage hands-on play, science experiments, and creative exploration. It's educational, fun, and a perfect rainy day activity. Of course, no trip to Boston is complete without tasting the city's most famous dishes, New England clam chowder and lobster rolls. You'll find amazing versions all over town, from Quincy Market to the Seaport District, and local favorites like Legal Seafoods and Union Oyster House. Boston's seafood scene is legendary, so make time to eat your way through it. Boston's North End, also known as the Italian District, is a lively neighborhood famous for its narrow streets, old world charm, and incredible Italian food. This is the place to try fresh pasta, espresso, or cannoli. Don't miss Mike's Pastry, a legendary bakery known for serving some of the best cannoli in the country. Mike's Pastry is one of Boston's most iconic dessert stops. Known for its massive, delicious cannoli wrapped in the famous white and blue box, it's a must-visit in the North End. Expect a line, but it moves fast, and it's worth every bite. Just 30 minutes north of Boston, Salem makes a perfect day trip for history lovers and anyone curious about the famous 1692 Salem witch trials. You can explore the Salem Witch Museum, wander through the preserved witch house, and visit memorials that tell the story of this tragic chapter in American history. Beyond its spooky past, Salem offers a charming waterfront, boutique shops, and attractions like the House of the Seven Gables and the Peabody Essex Museum. It's a walkable, atmospheric town that blends colonial history, maritime heritage, and modern culture. A great addition to any Boston itinerary. Fenway Park, home of the Boston Red Sox, is one of the most famous and beloved ballparks in the world. Even if you're not a baseball fan, the stadium tour is a fun way to see the Green Monster, walk through historic stands, and learn about over 100 years of sports history. Boston truly offers the perfect mix of old world charm and modern excitement. Whether you're exploring the Freedom Trail, eating your way through Quincy Market, or enjoying the sunset on the Esplanade, this city leaves a lasting impression. If this video helped you plan your trip, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel videos. If you think that we missed some good attraction, let us know in the comments.